Okay, this is real quick video, you know, after, you know, experienced my, you know, first couple of weeks with GoPro. There's a few issues, you know, and, you know, I was mentioned about having a lot of duct tape and taping everything, so all these adapters. There's one little adapter, so that's why I posted this video. There's one little adapter which is kind of a almost must-have. You know, I kind of like viewed I watched like several blogs on YouTube, a few posts, and the guys kind of, nobody ever mentioned this. The guys just taped it, this little, you know, on the side where you plug your microphone, and that's what I did. I just taped this thing. It was like really awkward. The tape was falling off. Okay, let me see. This is. So let's stop real quick, and I will, you know, show you. Kind of will explain you what's going on. And I bought this little, you know, door. Just a little door on the side of GoPro, and it just great. I think this piece is only like, you know, 12 like 13 bucks. Okay, let's stop real quick here. Okay, so yeah, this is basically, let me just get what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take it with my cell phone, take off the GoPro. So it's a kind of a, you know, on this side, on my right hand side, that's where the plug in to microphone, and this little kind of like a little barn door. Let me just show you real quick. Okay, here we are. So this is pretty much my setup. This crazy, I call it brick connector, that's where the audio goes, and that's the one, this little door I bought. I used to tape it, this was like duct tape. It's just like really ugly and it's falling off. What you do is, you know, let me disconnect it. So anyway, you just pull it with your finger. It sits pretty tight. Just pull it down and just pull it up. And this little door, it basically just snaps in here. So, but it holds this battery. You don't need any more like stupid tapes. Basically, you just kind of you know, let's put it back. Yep, you just kind of snap it in, and it clicks, and then you connect this video cable. Boom, and it's all done. So I still I hate this thing, and I don't know if you guys have any advice how to kind of do some kind of a bracket. I was thinking actually to do on a Velcro tape, sort of like this done, and put Velcro tape on this brick. So I would put the Velcro tape on it, and similar to this, or kind of like, you know, get one of these mounts and put like a glue Velcro tape on this brick, so it would sit better without like ugly duct tape. So that's pretty much my setup right now. I'm not super happy because this also too many links here, and they constantly like shifting. I have to tie them up, and kind of like they still shifting anyway, and it's hard to line it up in the middle. As you can see, it's sort of in the middle, but you know, it's not exactly in the center, you know. But for now, it kind of works. Like I love the mount which goes all the way around the chin, and I put on my old helmet, but you know, I'm probably gonna replace this helmet sometime. This is K5, AGV K5. Gonna replace sometime soon to HGC and get the better mount for that. So unfortunately, there's not too many on the market like a nice mounts, and all the helmets, they have different design. There's always like a vent in the middle here. They really, one I saw in B&H for 15 bucks, but it's not available. You know, they're out of stock. So I'm kind of looking for something more interesting than one-sided is not secure. So even though there's like a safety rope here, but I'm not sure it's gonna hold for too long. I don't know, on a high speed. So I took it on highway a few times, but I'm not very confident about this one-sided. I'd rather have the one in the center, which is kind of like a you know, it goes like this. It hugs the helmet around, and it's a lot more stable. And but anyway, like I said, this little door I'm gonna post on Amazon, so I'm just gonna post a link for you guys. And there's several of them. One of them like metal. This is plastic. One of them I think like aluminum. I don't know if it's any better. Like it wouldn't really matter. This is basically the whole purpose, just to hold the battery in place, because there's like a little rubber piece. And this is it. Thank you so much, guys, and you know, I'll keep posted to you, you know, about this my GoPro progress.